It's HYN14 key blank that there is a V-shaped groove. Let's study how to make this key and cut this groove. First of all, we have to prepare the V-shaped cutter.
Ready, go!
We will use the M2 tank CNC key cutting machine to finish this operation. Please connect the machine by Bluetooth. Click the Bluetooth number. Select Generate Key Type. Enter the flat key. Here we search HYN14. Click HYN14. Here we need Super Key Blank L. Click Continue. Select Cutting for the first time. Please watch how to install the Super Key Blank carefully. Install the key blank depending on the guide picture. Pay attention to the location. Click Continue. Please install the key blank depending on the guide picture. Pay attention to the location. Click Continue. One side is finished. The same way, install the clamp on the other side. Pay attention to the location. Please click Continue. We finished cutting both sides, and now we will cut the V-shaped groove. Application will remind that change it into V-shaped cutter. Insert it onto the top. There are 2 screws. Probe is also onto the top. Click OK. Please pull the probe till touching the platform. And then tighten the screws. Click OK. Click OK again. Here, click Continue. Install the key blank depending on the guide picture. Click Continue. Install the other side on the clamp. Click Continue. And now we'll use this key blank to make a key duplication. Enter HYN14. Install the original key on the clamp. Pay attention to the location. Click Continue and Identify. Key bitting is ready, and please install the key blank that we made just now. Finally, click Cut. Click Continue. It looks perfect and compared with the original key. And try to turn the lock on.